Hello Freunde! Welcome back to my channel Learn German My Way. Today we are going to discuss some useful phrases if you want to ask a help. Whatever I'm creating is with the view that if you travel to Germany or any German speaking country and if you want to ask somebody for help, you should know these 5 phrases. Los geht's! Phrase number 1. If somebody is speaking to you in German and you are not very well off German, or if you know ein bisschen Deutsch, a little German, then you can ask him to slow down or you can also ask him to repeat. If you want that person to repeat, you can say wie bitte, wie bitte. So wie bitte means pardon me, or if you want them to slow down, you can also say Bitte langsam. Bitte langsam, that means please be a little slow, because a native German speaker is quite fast with his or her speech. So wie bitte, that is pardon me, or bitte langsam, to slow down. Phrase number 2. If you've gone for shopping to a German country and if you want to ask somebody that what is a bottle called, so you can say was sagt man Bottle auf Deutsch. Was sagt man Bottle auf Deutsch? Was, that is what do a person call a bottle in German. Now moving to phrase number 3. If you've narrated something to a group of people, if you've given a speech, if you want to make somebody understand, and if you want to clear that the other person has understood you well, you can say Verstehen Sie, Verstehen Sie, and the other person can respond Ich verstehe. Verstehen Sie means did you understand formally, or you can also say Verstehst du. That is an informal word. And the 4th very useful phrase auf Deutsch is Können Sie mir bitte helfen? Können Sie mir bitte helfen? Can you help me please? And the other person can respond into ja, natürlich. That means yes, naturally. Or ja, gerne. That means yes, I'll gladly help you. I'll just give a quick summary for all the phrases we have learned today. First, wie bitte. Second, bitte langsam. Third, verstehen Sie. Fourth, können Sie mir bitte helfen? And if you want to say it informally, you can say Kannst du mir bitte helfen? Just the word of können changes its conjugation to an informal word Kannst. Kannst du mir bitte helfen? I hope all these useful phrases would help you construct your sentences in your travel to Germany. Also, please let me know in the comments below which one did you learn very fast. Dankeschön. Tschüss. 1 minute. Ein Minuten. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn German My Way. Tschüss.